Masu Engira Masilamni Tamil movie summary. A released prisoner named Kamal Ekambaram murders former police commissioner Shanmuga Sundaram during a morning jog. On the other hand, Masilamni alias Mas and his friend Jetli, Jattu, are small-time con artists. Mas meets Manini, a nurse, and they subsequently fall in love. While trying to escape after a heist goes wrong, Mas and Jattu meet with a car accident, after which Mas starts seeing dead people with whom he can communicate. Jattu died in the accident and is now a ghost, too. Mas forms a group of loitering ghosts to earn money by performing fake exorcisms and extorting money from scared, rich people while promising the spirits that he would, in exchange, fulfill their last wishes. Meanwhile, Manini, who thought Mas was working for a finance company, discovers the fake exorcisms and leaves him. The same day, Mas and Jattu meet a ghost called Shaktivel, Shakti, a Sri Lankan Tamil man from Ceylon and a lookalike of Mas. Shakti seemingly helps the duo by informing them about Hawala black money stashed in a locker by Anthony Xavier, a Hawala broker, in his warehouse at Sembikre, but has other plans in mind and wants to use Mas for that. He sabotages their plan and tricks Mas into running over Anthony while Kamal arrives and steals the money from the locker in the resulting chaos. Corrupt ACP Vikram Lakshman takes charge, investigates the case, and learns Mas is involved in the murder. Subsequently, the ghosts start striking against Mas as they assume that he is just using them to cheat later on. Mas yells at them and orders them to leave. Just then, Shakti arrives at the request of the ghosts. They depart with Shakti while Jattu manages to convince Mas. Mas agrees and fulfills the ghost's wishes so they attain salvation, which makes him a better person. All these good deeds of Mas change Manini's assumptions of him positively. At the same time, Shakti uses Mas to meet another person, Madhivdhanan alias Madhi, an MLA and associate of Anthony at his quarry, and later uses him to kill Madhi. Mas, furious with Shakti for making him a double murderer, yells at him to leave, threatening to commit suicide while escaping the quarry with Jattu. Mas encounters a Kayut, alias Radha Krishnan, Anthony and Madhi's partner, who gets reminded of Shakti, and orders his men to catch Mas. Kamal arrives there and rescues him, and later he reveals Shakti's past, where Mas realizes that Shakti is his father. Past, Shakti was a Royal Canadian Mounted Police in Montreal and a widower, who married Anuradha, Anu, a teacher at his daughter Megha's school, just for Megha's wish. Shakti secretly learned that Anu loves and takes care of Megha. Soon, they both fell in love, and Anu gave birth to a son, Mas. Anu owns an acre of land in India, which he wanted to donate to an orphanage where they could build a new orphanage. Kamal, the only family friend of Anu residing in India, agreed to help with the registration. Shakti and Anu, along with Megha and infant Mas, arrived in India to complete the registration but learned that industrialists R.K. and Anthony forged documents and planned to take the land away to construct flats. Since Shakti remained undeterred and did not give way, R.K. Anthony, Madhi, and Sundaram, along with their goons, killed Shakti, Anu, and Megha and pinned the murders on Kamal, for which he got imprisoned for all these years. Mas survived because Megha had left him safe in an impoverished family's small house nearby. Present, through Mas, Shakti wanted to kill the people responsible for his family's demise. After discovering the truth, Mas plans to kill R.K. himself. R.K., knowing who Mas is, tries to kill him, but Kamal saves Mas. However, because R.K. hits Mas on the head with a fire extinguisher, he loses the ability to see and converse with the spirits. With the help of Vikram, whom Mas bribed to double-cross R.K., Mas finally kills R.K. As Mas fulfills Shakti's last wish, he obtains salvation and joins Anu and Megha in heaven. In the post-credits scene, Mas, now a reformed man in a respectable position, has married Manini and has a young son, Shakti, named after his grandfather, who has the ability to see and converse with ghosts, while Jattu remains on earth with Mas and his family, accompanying Shakti at all times.